Satnam and welcome back to episode number 5 of the Learn Gurmukhi series by Nirmal Ashram Gurbani Shiksha Kendra Rishikesh. So far we've finished rows number 1 to 5. Today we will be taking a look at row number 6 and 7 of the 35 Akhri, followed by the 6 Persian alphabets that were introduced into the Gurmukhi script. Let's get into it and start with row number 6. Repeat after me. Papa, pa. Papa, pa. Babba, ba. Pabba, pa. Mamma, ma. Let's take a look at the tongue placement to understand the sound again. The sound of every alphabet in this row is produced when you close the lips. Let's try reading these letters again. Papa, pa. Papa, pa. Babba, ba. Pabba, pa. Mamma, ma. So every time you close your lips together, you're able to produce these sounds correctly. Papa, pa, patang. Papa, pa, papita. Let's look at examples in English and Hindi. In English, parrot, pink, point. In Hindi, patta, pachas, pahad. Phapha pha phal. Phapha pha phul, which means fruit and flower as shown in the example. Babba ba bus. Babba ba bandar. In English, brother, box, beam. In Hindi, baraf, billi, bachpan. This is the 4th alphabet in the 6th row, and therefore it will be a combination of the 1st and the 3rd letters. Let's take a look. This is pronounced as pabba. The name of the letter is pabba and the sound is pa. Pabba pa paid. Pabba pa palu. In Hindi, the equivalent letter is bha. Bha bhai. Bha bhagat. Bha bhandar. The same words will be pronounced in Punjabi as pabba pa pai. Pagat. Pandar. Mamma ma more. Mamma ma machi. In English, mother, mango, milk. In Hindi, makan, matka, makhan. Let's look at the final row, row number 7 of the 35 Akhri. Repeat after me. Yayya ya. Rara ra. Lalla la. Vavva va. Adada da. Yayya ya yodha. Yayya ya yoga. In English, yellow, young, yarn. In Hindi, yatra, yad, yog. Rarra ra rakhdi. Rarra ra rail gaddi. In English, red, rain, road. In Hindi, Raja, roti, रास्ता. लल्ला ल लड्डू. लल्ला ल lumbadi. In English, lime, lantern, leaf. In English. In Hindi, लोहा, लहर, लड़की. वव्वा व वाजा. वव्वा व वर्खा. In English, van, vase, vacation. In Hindi, विचार, विज्ञान, विवाह. The last and the final letter is adada, da. Ada. You can produce this sound by curling your tongue and the back of the tongue hits the roof of the mouth. Ada. Examples of this letter are sadak, kapda, chidiya. If you pay attention, we don't read it as sadak, kapda. It's not a d, it's ada. Sadak, kapda, chidiya. Now, let's take a look at the Persian letters that are part of the Gurmukhi script. Please note that while these letters are used in Punjabi literature and they are also used in the Dasam Granth, the Bani, that is written by the 10th Guru, Guru Gobind Singh Ji, these letters are not part of the Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji. Sasse pair bindi, sh. Sh sher, sh shisha, sh shalgam. In English, shade, shallow, shine. In Hindi, shanti, shanivar, shahid. Khakke pair bindi, kha. So there is a puff of air that comes from the back of the throat to make this particular sound. Kha, khargosh. Kha, khat. Gagge pair bindi, gha. If you pay attention, you will see that there is a little bit of sound and air that comes from the back of the throat to make this letter. Gha. Gubbara. Galicha. Jajje pair bindi, z. In English, zebra. In Hindi and in Punjabi, z, zindagi, z, zanjeer. Phaphe pair bindi, fa. Fa in English, football. Father, finger, fry. In Punjabi and in Hindi, phaphe pair bindi fa, fauji, fida, Baba Farid ji. The last letter to be included in this line is a rather new addition. It is lalle pair bindi la. There aren't a lot of words with this particular letter. So often when you're reading the script, it is referred to as la, lalle pair bindi la khali. With that, we've completed the 40 letters of the Gurmukhi script. Well done. See you in the next class where we'll do a little bit of revision. Om Satnam.